Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use promo money on Prizepicks. In order to use promo money on Prizepicks, you could follow the steps. So first thing first, when you submit a lineup, any available promo funds will be used first. So if your funds aren't enough, your credit fund balance will be used. Now likewise, you could also redeem a sign up code. When you sign up, you can enter a referral code to automatically apply a promo code. So you could select the don't have one and check the receive the best available promotions as well. If you receive a promo code after your first deposit, you can send it to live and you could redeem it as well. If you qualify for a deposit match, Prizepicks will match the amount you deposit a certain limit as well. In order to create a qualifying lineup options through the promotions tab in the app, you could go ahead and confirm that you want to protect and play, and your lineup will receive additional redemption code or either you'll lose. Then promo codes provide us credit that can be used to play content, and credit can't be cashed out as well. So this way you'll be able to use promo money on Prizepicks. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next